So solve system of linear equations using a matrix method. So this method is very important for the part of examination here. The first example, 5x plus 2y is equal to 4, 7x plus 3y is equal to 5. The given system of equation can be written as, okay, so given a system of equations can be written as a into x is equal to b, where a is equal to the matrix that only coefficients x coefficient is 5 and y coefficient is 2x, and here x coefficient is 7 and y coefficient is 3x. Then x is equal to the column matrix here, x, y, two variables are there, x and y, and again here b is equal to, again it is a column matrix 4, 5. So right here 4 and 5. Okay, therefore given system of equation can be written in this form here, a into x equal to b, where a is this matrix, x equal to xy, b is equal to 4, 5. Then first find here determinant of a. So determinant of a is equal to 5 3s are 15 here. So 15 minus 7 2s are 14. 15 minus 14 gives 1 here. So this is not equal to 0. Hence it is a non-singular. It has an inverse. Okay. Then you write the adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of the matrix A is equal to, and it is a matrix of order 2 into 2 here. Then direct you can write adjoint of the matrix here. Interchange the diagonal elements here. So write here 3, 5. 3 and 5 here. And change the sign of non-diagonal elements here. So write here minus of 2, and here is the minus of 7 here. It is the adjoint of the matrix A. Then A inverse is equal to, here A inverse is x is equal to A inverse into B here. X equal to A inverse into B. Therefore A inverse is equal to what here? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A here. A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here determinant of A value is 1 here. So this is equal to 1 divided by 1 into adjoint of the matrix is 3 minus 2 minus 7 and plus 5. Okay, this is A inverse here. Here 1 upon 1 is 1 itself. So just write this one here. A inverse is this matrix here. So use this one here. Therefore this equal to, so 3 minus of 2 here, minus 7 plus 5 into the matrix B is 4, 5 here. The column matrix 4 and 5 here. Then multiply these two matrices here. Hence this equal to, multiply row with this column here. 3 4s are 12. Minus 2 into 5 becomes minus of 10 here. Similarly, multiply this row with the column. 7 4s are 28 here. Minus of 28 and 5 5s are 25 plus 25 plus 25. Therefore this is equal to, means x is this matrix here. Okay, therefore x y column matrix x y is equal to 12 minus 10 becomes a 2 here. Minus 28 plus 25 is minus of 3 here. Therefore, equate the corresponding elements here. Yes, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus of 3. So this is the answer here. X equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. And you can verify whether the answer is correct or wrong here. You choose any one equation, substitute the values here. Okay, verification. Let's take first equation here. 5x plus 2y is equal to, substitute x equal to 2 here. So 5 into 2 plus 2 into minus of 3 here. Then 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6 here, minus 6. 10 minus 6 becomes 4. So RHS 4 is there. Yes, the answer is correct here. And in examination, it is not necessary to write this verification here. Okay. So therefore, just substitute x value 2 and y value 3 here. It gives 4. Means our answer is correct. In examination, you not write this one here. Okay. So second example here. 2x minus y is equal to minus 2 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 3x. The given system of equation, given the system of equation can be written as a into x is equal to b, where a is equal to the matrix 2 minus 1 and 3 4. Then x is equal to the column matrix here x y and b is equal to minus 2 3. So right here minus 2 plus 3. Okay. Then find the determinant of a here. So determinant of a is equal to 4 to the 8 here, minus of 3 into minus 1 is minus of 3, minus into minus becomes a plus, 8 plus 3 becomes 11 here. Then adjoint of the matrix, adjoint of the matrix A is equal to, here matrix of order 2 into 2 here, then directly can write adjoint of the matrix. Interchange the diagonal elements here. So write here 4 and 2 here. And change its sign. Minus 1 becomes a plus 1. Plus 3 becomes a minus of 3. Adjoint of the matrix. Yes, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A value is 11 here. So therefore 1 divided by 11. Then adjoint of the matrix is 4 1 minus 3 2 here. Minus 3 2. Okay, it is A inverse here. So now x is equal to A inverse into B here. Therefore, this equal to A inverse is this here. A inverse is 1 divided by 11. 1 upon 11 into the matrix. So 4 1 minus 3 plus 2 here. Into the matrix B is minus 2 and 3 here. Therefore, this equal to 1 upon 11. Multiply row with the column here. 4 2s are 8 here, minus of 8, 1 3s are 3 plus 3 here. Multiply this row with the column here, minus 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6 here, plus 6 and 2 3s are 6 plus 6 here. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon 11 into the matrix here, minus 8 plus 3. It is a minus of 5 and 6 plus 6 becomes 12 here. So, plus 12. Take 1 upon 11 inside the matrix here. Therefore, this is equal to minus of 5 divided by 11, then 12 divided by 11 here. And here is a x here, x is this matrix here. Therefore, right here, left hand side, the column matrix x, y. Okay, because this is x here, x is this matrix. Then equating the corresponding elements here. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 by 11, minus of 5 divided by 11, and y is equal to 12 divided by 11 here. Therefore, this is the answer here. Substitute x value and y value in any one equation and verify it here. So, verification here. So, take this first equation only, even you can take the second equation also. 2 into x is a minus 5 by 11 here, minus of 5 by 11, minus of 12 divided by 11 here. Hence 11 is a LCM here, 5 2s are 10, minus of 10, then minus 12 here. Minus 10 minus 12, minus 22 divided by 11 here. Minus 22 by 11 becomes minus 2 here. So RHS minus 2 here. Okay. So this is a verification here. In examination, it is not necessary to write this verification here. Okay. This is the answer. So third example here. 4x minus 3y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. Given system of equations can be written as into x equal to b, where a is equal to 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5, and x is equal to the column matrix xy, and b is equal to again column matrix 3, 7 here. Then find your determinant of a. 4 5s are 20, minus of 20 here, minus 3 3s are 9, minus 9 here, is a minus of 9. Minus into minus becomes a plus here, minus 20 plus 9 is a minus of 11 here. Minus into minus into plus, minus 20 plus 10 is minus 7. Then obviously this is not equal to 0 means it has an inverse here. It is a non-singular matrix and every non-singular matrix has an inverse. Then you write the adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of the matrix A is equal to. In this case, it is a matrix of order 2 into 2 here. Interchange the diagonal elements here. So minus 5 plus 4. And change the sign of non-diagonal. Minus 3 is there. So write here plus 3. And plus 3 here. So write here minus of 3 here. Change the sign of non-diagonal elements. This is the adjoint of the matrix here. Hence E inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon, here determinant of A value is a minus 11 here. So write here minus of 11 into adjoint of the matrix is a minus 5 plus 3 minus 3 here. Okay, minus of 3 and plus 4. Okay. This is A inverse here. Therefore, x is equal to A inverse into B here. Means you have to find x and y values here. So x equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is this one here. So minus of 1 upon 11 into the matrix minus 5 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 here. into the matrix B is a 3 7. So right here the 3 and the 7. It is a column matrix here. Hence this is equal to minus of 1 upon 11 into multiply row the column here. Minus 5 into 3. 5 is of 15 here. So minus of 15 3 sevens are 21 plus 21 here. Then multiply this row with the column here. 3 3s are 9 here. So minus of 9 plus 7 4s are 28 here. Plus 28. Therefore this is equal to minus of 1 upon 11 into. So 21 minus 15 here. Is a plus 6 here. And 28 minus 9 19 here. That is a plus 19 here. Then take minus 1 by 11 inside the matrix here. Yes, this is equal to minus 6 by 11. Minus of 6 by 11 minus 19 by 11 here. Minus of 19 divided by 11. So this is x here. X is this column matrix here. Therefore write here x and y. Then equating the corresponding elements here. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 divided by 11 and y is equal to minus 19 divided by 11. So this is the answer and you can verify it. So verification, you choose any one equation. I am taking a second equation here. So 3x minus of 5y is equal to 3 into x value is minus 6 by 11 here. Minus of 6 by 11. Then minus 5 into y is minus 19 by 11 here. Minus of 19 divided by 11. Minus here. Therefore this is equal to minus 6 3s are 18 here. Divided by 11. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. So 19 into 5. 95. So 95 divided by 11 here. Therefore 11 on LCM. 11 LCM minus 18 plus 95. So 95 minus 18 here. 95 minus of 18. Then 70. 8 here. Here 95 minus 18 it is 77 years. Therefore 77 divided by 11 it is a 7. Therefore RHS 7 is there. So therefore our answer is correct. So this is the required result here. So fourth example, 5x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. The system of equation can be written in the form of ax equal to b, where a is 5 2 3 2, x is equal to the column matrix s, b is equal to again column matrix 3 5. Therefore determinant of a, 5 2s are 10 minus 3 2s are 6 here. 10 minus 6 becomes a 4. So this is not equal to 0 means it is a non-singular matrix here. If it is a non-singular matrix, it has an inverse. Then write adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of the matrix A is equal to, here this is a matrix of order 2 into 2 here. Interchange the diagonal elements here. So write 2 5. And change the sign of non-diagonal here. Plus 2 is there. So write here minus 2. Plus 3 here, so right here minus of 3 here. Therefore E inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A value is 4. So 1 upon 4 into the matrix 2 minus 2 minus 3 plus 5. Okay. Therefore x is equal to A inverse into B. Here A inverse is this 1 upon 4 into, so 2 minus 2 minus 3 plus 5 into the matrix B is a 3 5. So write here 3 and 5. The column matrix 3 5. Therefore 1 upon 4 here. 1 upon 4 into multiply with the column 2 3s are 6 here minus 2 into 5 minus of 10 here. Again multiply this with the column 3 3s are 9 minus 9 5 5s are 25 plus 25 plus 25. Therefore this is equal to 1 upon 4 into the matrix 6 minus 10 it is a minus of 4 here. Then 25 minus 9 is a minus of 16 plus 16 here plus 16. Take 1 by 4 inside the matrix here. Yes, 4 minus 4 upon 4 gives a minus of 1. 16 upon 4 is a 4 here. Yes, so this is a matrix x here. X is this column matrix. So right here x and y here. Equating the corresponding elements here. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to plus 4 here. You can verify. Take any one equation here. So verification. So taking second equation here 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 into x value minus 1 here. 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into y value is 4. So right here 4. Then 3 ones are 3 here. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 3 becomes 5. So RHS 5 there. So our answer is correct here. So x equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 4.